Welcome to the new way to do real estate. At Falaya, our mission is to change the way people sell property to put you in control over the sale of your home. As real estate agents ourselves, we watched our commission checks skyrocket, even though digital tools had streamlined the selling process. And rather than sit back and continue to take advantage of the legacy system that exists in the market today, we decided to actually do something about it. When you list with Falaya, we don't box you into 5 and 6% commissions. Instead, we've curated 3 listing packages and a multitude of on-demand services that empower you to decide how much agent support you want, so you only pay for what you actually need. We've made selling a home yourself easier than ever by taking the same exact tools and resources we got to use as agents to develop a revolutionary mobile app that's specifically designed to allow you to manage your listing just like any agent would, right from the palm of your hand. We know that managing a transaction on your own can feel a bit overwhelming, so we built a team of dedicated transaction coordinators that monitor your listing activity to alert you to any buyer leads, present all offers, update your task list along the way, and work alongside you to ensure a smooth and successful selling experience from listed to sold. We aren't just another low-cost listing platform. We are a home selling powerhouse with nearly 90% of our Falaya sellers successfully selling their home and saving thousands of dollars in the process. We've done all of this because we believe that with the right tools and support when you need it, nobody can sell your house better than you. So take back control, save your hard-earned equity, and list with Falaya today. Falaya, it's real estate reimagined.